Hey, have you ever been in that moment where someone asks you a simple question in English and your brain just freezes?
Oh my God, yes. Like you know the answer, but the words just won't come out.
Exactly. And today, we're going to fix that problem together.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. I'm Kate.
And I'm Martin. How are you doing today, Kate?
I'm good, Martin. A little tired though. I stayed up late watching a series last night.
Again? What was it this time?
Don't judge me. It was a cooking show. I couldn't stop watching.
You and your cooking shows. Did you actually cook anything or just watch?
Just watch, obviously. But I learned a lot.
Right. So today is day 11 of our 30-day English speaking challenge, and we're talking about something super important.
Yes, asking and answering simple questions fast. No thinking time, no long pauses, just quick, natural responses.
And if you're new here, welcome. We're so happy you found us. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any episodes.
And if you're enjoying this, give us a thumbs up. It really helps us keep making these videos for you.
Okay, Kate, let me ask you something. Why do you think people freeze when someone asks them a question in English?
I think it's because we translate in our heads. Like someone asks, "What's your favorite food?" And we think in our language first, then try to translate to English.
Yes, that's the biggest problem, the translation step.
And by the time you finish translating, the person is already looking at you like, "Hello, are you okay?"
Exactly. It's so awkward.
So awkward, Martin. I remember when I was learning English, someone asked me, "How was your weekend?" And I just stood there for like 10 seconds.
10 seconds? That's a long time.
I know. And then I said, "Good." Just one word, nothing else.
Classic. But honestly, that happens to everyone.
Right? So today we want to help you answer questions quickly and naturally. Not perfectly, just naturally.
Exactly. Natural is better than perfect.
So, Martin, what's the first step?
The first step is to stop translating. You need to think in English, even if it's simple English.
Yes, think in English. That's so important.
For example, if someone asks, "What did you do today?" don't translate it, just think in English, work, breakfast, coffee, friends. Simple words.
Right, simple words are fine. You don't need fancy vocabulary.
Exactly. And here's a trick. Practice answering common questions every day.
Ooh, I like that. Like which questions?
Questions like, "What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do? What's your favorite food? How was your day?"
Those are super common. People ask those all the time.
Yes, so if you practice them, you won't freeze when someone asks.
That makes sense. So you prepare your brain.
Exactly. Your brain gets used to the question and the answer comes automatically.
I love that. So, Martin, let me ask you, what did you do yesterday?
Oh, good question. Yesterday, I went to the gym in the morning, then I worked from home, and in the evening, I watched a movie.
Nice. See, that was fast. You didn't think too much.
Right, because I've answered that question a million times.
Okay, now ask me.
All right, Kate, what did you do yesterday?
Yesterday, I had a lazy day. I stayed home, cleaned my apartment, and then I called my sister.
See, that was quick too.
Yeah, because I didn't translate. I just thought in English.
Exactly. And listeners, you can do this too. Practice with a friend or even talk to yourself.
Talk to yourself? Like crazy people?
No, not crazy, just practice. Ask yourself questions in the mirror.
Okay. I actually do that sometimes.
Really?
Yeah, when I'm getting ready in the morning, I ask myself, "What are you doing today, Kate?" And I answer in English.
That's actually brilliant.
Right? It's like free practice.
I love it. Okay, so step one is stop translating and think in English. Step two is practice common questions every day.
What's step 3, Martin?
Step three is don't worry about grammar mistakes.
Ooh, yes, this is so important.
A lot of people freeze because they're afraid of making mistakes. They think, oh, is it I goed or I went?
I goed. That's cute.
Yeah, but seriously, if you're thinking about grammar, you'll freeze.
Exactly. Just speak, even if it's not perfect.
Right, people understand you. Communication is more important than perfection.
I agree, and honestly, native speakers make mistakes too.
All the time, I make mistakes in my own language.
See? So don't stress about it.
Exactly. Just answer the question. Say something.
Even if it's short, like, I don't know, is okay.
Yes, I don't know is a perfect answer sometimes.
Or, I'm not sure, or maybe.
Right, those are all good answers. You don't need to say a long sentence.
True. Okay, let me ask you another question, Martin.
Go ahead.
What's your favorite season?
Summer. I love summer because the weather is warm and I can go to the beach.
Nice. See? That was a quick answer.
Yeah, what about you? What's your favorite season?
I like autumn. The colors are beautiful and the weather is perfect. Not too hot, not too cold.
Autumn is nice. I like the cozy feeling.
Yes, cozy. That's the perfect word.
Okay, listeners, did you notice something? When Kate answered, she added a reason. I like autumn because...
Oh, yeah, adding because is a great tip.
It makes your answer more complete, more natural.
Right, so instead of just saying summer, you can say summer because I love the beach.
Exactly. It's simple, but it sounds better.
And it gives the other person more to talk about.
Yes, it keeps the conversation going.
That's smart, so always add because if you can.
If you can, but if you can't, don't worry, just answer.
Right, don't overthink it.
Okay, here's another tip. Listen to the question carefully.
Oh, this is important.
Sometimes people freeze because they didn't really hear the question.
Yes, and they're too shy to ask, can you repeat that?
Exactly. Don't be shy. It's okay to say, sorry, can you say that again?
Or, I didn't catch that.
Right. Native speakers do this all the time.
All the time. It's totally normal.
So if you don't understand the question, just ask. Don't pretend.
Yes, because if you pretend, you might answer the wrong thing.
That's true. I've done that before.
Really?
Yeah, someone asked me something. I didn't hear it, but I said yes anyway.
Oh no, what happened?
Turns out they asked if I wanted to go to a party I didn't want to go to.
So you had to go?
I had to go. It was so awkward.
That's why you should always ask them to repeat.
Lesson learned.
Okay, so Martin, let's practice some more questions. Ask me something random.
All right. Kate, what do you usually do on weekends?
On weekends, I like to relax. I usually meet my friends, go for a walk, or watch movies at home.
Nice. That sounds chill.
Yeah, I need my weekends to recharge. What about you?
I usually go hiking or play football with my friends. Sometimes I just stay home and read.
You read? What kind of books?
Mostly fiction, adventure books, mystery books.
Cool. I didn't know that about you.
Yeah, I'm a secret reader.
A secret reader. I love it.
Okay, listeners, here's a fun challenge for you. We want you to practice answering questions out loud right now.
Yes, don't just listen, actually speak.
Ready? Here we go.
Question 1. What's your name?
Pause and answer.
Question 2. Where are you from?
Pause and answer.
Question 3. What's your favorite food?
Pause and answer.
Question 4. What do you do in your free time?
Pause and answer.
Question 5. What did you do yesterday?
Pause and answer. Okay, how did that feel?
I hope you answered out loud. It's so important to practice speaking, not just listening.
Exactly. Your mouth needs practice too, not just your ears.
That's true. Speaking is a physical skill.
Right, your mouth muscles need to get used to English sounds.
So practice every day, even if it's just 5 minutes.
5 minutes is better than nothing.
Absolutely. Okay, Martin, what if someone is too shy to practice with other people?
Great question. If you're shy, practice alone first. Talk to yourself, like we said before.
Or record yourself on your phone.
Yes, recording yourself is amazing. You can listen and check your pronunciation.
And you can see your progress over time.
Exactly. It's really motivating.
I used to do that when I was learning English. I recorded myself every week.
Did it help?
So much. I could hear my mistakes and fix them.
That's awesome. Okay, we're almost at the end, but before we finish, we want to ask you something.
Yes, we want to know what's the hardest question for you to answer in English.
Leave it in the comments below. We want to hear from you.
And maybe we can make a video about it.
Exactly, so don't be shy. Write in the comments.
Okay, let's wrap this up. Martin, what's the most important thing to remember from today?
The most important thing is don't freeze. Just say something, even if it's simple, even if it's short.
Yes, communication is more important than perfection.
Exactly. And practice common questions every day so they become automatic.
Right. Practice, practice, practice.
And don't be afraid of mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes,
Even us. Laughs.
especially us. Okay, listeners, thank you so much for being here with us today.
We really appreciate you.
If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are learning English.
And subscribe if you haven't already. We post new episodes regularly.
Tomorrow, we'll continue with day 12 of the challenge, so don't miss it.
Until then, keep practicing.
Keep speaking.
And don't forget, you're doing amazing.
See you tomorrow.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.